What's up, guys? Ryan here, down in Pittsburgh. I got a kitchen full of smoke. Exhaust fan sounds like it's making a weird noise, and I can see a lot of heat coming out of this thing. Oh yeah. Hell, let's open it up. Take a look. Yeah, buddy. I got a shredded belt here. God, can't even breathe. Not too good. I'm gonna have to go get a belt. I don't see any spares in here for the time being. Let me go see if I got anything on my van that'll get them by while I run and get a new belt.
A few moments later.
A26 is the smallest belt I got. I'm gonna see if I can adjust this motor back a little bit and at least get this thing running while I go and get a belt. Belt's gonna work for now. I'm gonna go grab my grease gun and I'm gonna grease these bearings up. I got freaking grease all over my brand new work hoodie. What a pain in the ass. Anyway, let me go ahead and grab my gun. We'll get these bearings all greased up and I'll see how close a supply house is. Got my grease gun here. We're just gonna go ahead and let that stop completely. Wipe off where we're gonna add the grease, because you don't want to shove all that garbage into the bearing. All right, guys, we're rated for 10.2 amps. We're pulling 5.9. I'm happy with that. We might just be leaving this belt on. We've got a preventative maintenance coming up on this location here in the next week or two. So I'm gonna see what my service manager wants to do, but more than likely, I'm gonna be leaving that on there, and we'll get the correct belt, AX25. And bring that back when we do the preventative maintenance. And I'm gonna go down, talk to the cook, make sure everything's good to go. I'm gonna be putting some stain stuff on my new hoodie here when I get home. My wife's gonna be thrilled to hear that I have to wash grease off of my hoodie in our brand new washing machine, but I don't know, maybe I won't tell her. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. That'll notify you anytime I got a new video coming up. Leave me a comment, hit like. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.